We have already discussed some prominent characteristics of Romanticism, and today we'll carry our discussion further and reflect on few noteworthy features of Romanticism. Now, unlike the age of enlightenment, which focused on rationality and intellect, the writers of the Romantic period gave importance to human emotions, feelings, instinct, and intuition. Now, while selecting the subject and writing about it, the poets of the preceding era, that is the neoclassical period, which is also known as the era of rationality, adhered to the prevalent rules and regulations. But the Romantic writers trusted their emotions and feelings to create poetry. Now, this has already been explained by William Wordsworth as he defines poetry. He says that poetry is the spontaneous overflow of powerful feelings. So, the Romantics they emphasized on human emotion and intuition as well as freedom and creativity. So, the position of the artist or the poet gained supremacy in the Romantic period because in the earlier times, the artist was seen as a person who imitated the external world through his art. Now, this definition was questioned in the Romantic era, and the poet was seen as a creator of something which reflected his individuality and emotions. It was for the first time that the poems written in the first person were being accepted, and the poetic persona became one with the voice of the poet. The Romantics borrowed heavily from the folklore and the popular local art. During the earlier eras, literature and art were considered to belong to the high class educated people, and the lower classes were not considered fit to enjoy them. The language used in these works used to be highly lyrical, which was totally different from what was spoken by the people. However, romantic artists they were influenced by the folklore that had been created by the masses or the common people, and not by the literary works that were popular only among the higher strata of the society. So, folk tunes and ballads were adopted by the Romantic writers, and as the Romantics became interested and focused upon developing the folklore, culture, language, customs, and traditions of their own country, they developed a sense of nationalism which reflected in their works. The language used in the Romantic poems was simple and easy, and it was easily understood by the masses. Now, along with nationalism, the Romantics developed the love of the exotic. So far off and mysterious locations were depicted in many of the artistic works from that period. Exoticism is also one of the most prominent characteristics in art, along with sentimentality and spirituality. Another characteristics of this movement is the belief in the supernatural. The Romantics were interested in the supernatural and they included it in their works. Gothic fiction emerged as a branch of Romanticism after Horace Walpole after Horace Walpole's 1764 novel The Castle of Otranto. This fascination for the mysterious and the unreal also led to the development of Gothic romance, which became very popular during this period. So, the supernatural elements could also be seen in Coleridge's Kubla Khan, The Rime of the Ancient Mariner, and even in the works of other romantic poets.